Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your Seedance subscription. In order to do so, here we are at Seedance2.ai. However, you may have a Seedance subscription through a variety of places. Seedance is found on many different platforms. So if you are here at the Seedance2.ai site, this is the process to cancel the subscription. Up at the top right-hand corner, you'll find your profile icon, and then here you can see where it says subscription. So here you can manage your subscription plan and billing details. You can also cancel your subscription at any time. However, as I said, if you're on a different platform, then you are going to need to explore how that platform handles its subscription process. But generally speaking, most platforms are going to follow a similar process. So just find your profile, find your subscription, and sometimes you can click a button to cancel, and then other times what you need to do is you need to downgrade your service if you're paying for it to the free version and choose that plan. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.